Hello, dear ones. This is Reverend Karen with a MindPT overview. This is for members who are in my group coaching, like CFO camp, or private clients who are working with me. So in this conversation, I'm going to talk for just a minute or two of why do MindPT, and then some of the tactical things of how to do it. And I'm going to show you 4 or 5 places where there's resources for more. So my encouragement is open the heart and mind to how could this tool work for you, and then also be ready to pause this video as you hear different things and make sure you can get to the URLs that I point out. And as always, I recommend that you connect with our customer care team, customercare@themoneykeys.com, or the MindPT customer care team if you have specific questions. MindPT. MindPT is a technology for training the brain, opening the spirit, and aligning your energy and vibration to what you want to accomplish with your spiritual deepening and financial expansion. Tactically, MindPT shows up in your life as an app on your phone where you can go through what's called a session, which is hundreds and thousands of images, music, and affirmations that you watch and participate with that help to raise your vibration for creating what you want. The sessions that are in the MindPT library, so it's Mind Power Technology, you can think of, there's a lot of different ways you can think of that, but Mind Power Technology. The sessions in the overall library are hundreds, of which one of them is the Money Keys. I also have one called Financial Forgiveness. The Money Keys is a good, pure session to work with if you are coaching with me and you want to have a deeper, embedded understanding and experience of, if we're in fear and scarcity, then unity is the answer that connects us with something greater. If you're in anger, upset, shame, guilt, then the law of cause and effect is what you use to create freedom and choice. And if you're in overwhelm about your money, feeling stuck, then the law of circulation creates vitality and order. So those principles, which are underneath the Money Keys training, are embedded into every affirmation, every image, and every piece of MindPT. My encouragement is you give it a real good try. So you'll see that the session itself can be played at speed number 1, which is the slowest, which could be an hour of play. And the resonance music that comes with an original MindPT session is a brain wave training, beautiful beep, 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 beep kind of music. So if you were to invest an hour in getting up to speed with MindPT, you would watch a session once, let it pour over you for a full hour. You'll see in some of the literature that people will do sometimes 10 days or 100 days of watching an hour-long MindPT. For your purposes, I say give it 1 full, undisturbed hour watching, feeling, embedding. And then on a regular basis, while you're working with me, like once a week or even more frequently, watch it at the fastest speed you want to. I watch mine so that the whole thing takes 4 or 5 minutes. I do it quick. Watch them quick, but do it frequently, and do it at a time where you want that boost of inspiration and connection. And I trust you to have miraculous things occur. So that's a little bit about why to do it. And here's some of the tools that will help you. So we're going to start here. This is our Money Keys private site. So if you were to start, sometimes you'll start at the home page of the Money Keys private member site, and you can see that you would either go to the CFO Camp resources page, or you might even go up to bonuses MindPT. However you get there, I'll go for the CFO Camp one for now. However you get there, you'll see this is our CFO Camp page. And here we go. Some of your tools for CFO Camp include MindPT. So you're registering for an account with MindPT, downloading the free app, and what you're getting with this link that I'll show you in a moment, with this link, you get access to becoming a MindPT member but you also get access to getting my session in your library at MindPT for free. So let's go ahead. We'll open this. This link takes you to this page, which is, please enjoy your free gift of the Money Keys by Karen Russo. So you've got to scroll down here, and you're going to claim your free gift by entering your name, email, and confirming a passcode. So when you do that, you're setting up this one time only what your username and password will be at the MindPT site, where you're going to log in. And when you log in there, you're going to see your library at MindPT is already populated with the Money Keys session. I'm going to go back to this gem here. So at our Money Keys page, I put, this is a PDF, Getting the Most from MindPT. It's a guide. It's long and really helpful. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like. This is by Kim Serafini, who's the founder of MindPT, along with Yarmila. And this is all of the background about MindPT. So some of the people who are looking for how to do it and when to do it, this document, which is a PDF document, is an excellent one. So, you know, for those of you that want to do it right, I'd also suggest reading this document in full. All right, so we're back here. Get your free, get the PDF. You've gone here, you've logged in, and you've probably gotten an email back from MindPT with your username and password. I'm going to show you where you go to log in, and if you've forgotten your password, you've probably used your main email as your username. If you've forgotten your password, I'll show you how to deal with that in a moment. The other thing that you'll notice is that Kim Serafini and the folks from MindPT, once you are a MindPT user, you're going to receive emails from them on a very regular basis. So you can do whatever you like with that. You could unsubscribe. You could have all those emails go to a certain folder. You could change your email so it's one that goes to a different place. Manage your email from them in a way that works for you. But once you have your MindPT, so now this is the main MindPT site. So if you went to mindpt.com, this is actually an HTTPS, which is where you would go if you're a user of MindPT and you want to log in. So I go to log in, and here's Karen at the Money Keys with my password, and I log into MindPT. So this is, you see it says, welcome Karen. This shows my MindPT back office on the computer. You're going to use the same username and password if you're on your phone, your iPhone or your Android, using the app. You're still going to have at least, once, or if you reset your phone, you're going to have to use your email and your password to get in there. So now that I'm in, you can see that there's a lot of things you can do. One of the things you can do is just watch a MindPT session on your desktop. So I have hundreds of MindPT sessions, but there's the Money Keys by Karen Russo right there. And if I was to play it now, oh, look, here it is at speed 2. If I wanted to go slower, it would go much slower. If I wanted to go faster, boom, 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 boom. So you can watch MindPT sessions through your desktop. The other thing you can do is you can download the app onto your desktop, but you could also go here to, you can go to the App Store on your phone and download MindPT. There's usually some other programs and things there, a welcome. Need help? Look, getting the most out of MindPT. Here's that same PDF. So I just want you to know you can get it also on the website, the back office of MindPT. There's also a wonderful PDF with affirmations that you can use to customize your MindPT. Because the other thing you can do with MindPT is you can do some editing. You can add your own, like if I go to my profile, it's not profile, it's probably at my sessions when I go to watch MindPT. What I can do if I want to edit a session, one of the things I can do is I can go to my personal images and I can see that I've included affirmations and pictures of Bill. I can select those and add them. I can change them within a a session. So just know you can do that. The other thing you can do is when you use the app, you can change the music for MindPT. So what I tend to do is I tend to put in affirmations that are about a seasonal thing, and then for 2 or 3 months, I'll watch a MindPT with a particular inspiring song that really connects me to my particular goal. So those are the main things I wanted to say. The other thing that I want to show you is a little bit about what it looks like on your phone. So for example, this is when I go to the MindPT app on my iPhone and I log in, this is what my menu would say. There's a little thing to edit sessions, there's some settings piece, and if you were to go into this resources area, it's also on your phone. You could get that Getting the Most Out of MindPT PDF. So that's my big message with MindPT. My encouragement is, if you're a person who wants to really anchor a new experience with your money, and you enjoy technology, and you believe in affirmations and that consciousness creates experience, give yourself the gift of giving it a try. And then let me know how it works for you, because I see you prosperous, powerful, magnificent, and free. Thank you all so much. Peace and blessings.